Good morning, everybody. Hope you are doing great this morning. We will solve this problem today. Says solve the compound inequality. Write the answer in interval notation. So t minus 3 divided by minus 3 less than 1/5 or t plus 3 divided by minus 2 greater than minus 1/5. So we will take each of these inequalities separately and then we will combine them. So t minus 3 divided by minus 3, and instead of less than 1/5 we will solve equal to 1/5. So we will multiply by minus 3 on both sides. So we will get this 3 cancel with this 3 minus 3, and you are left with t minus 3 is minus 3/5. Okay. So add 3 on both sides. So t is equal to 3 minus 3/5. Okay. So t is equal to, for 3, I can write as 3 times 5 divided by 1 times 5 minus 3 over 5. So t is equal to 15 over 5 minus 3 over 5. So t is equal to 12 over 5. Okay. So let's create some space. Please do not leave right away because I will give you an important tip at the end of this program. So please bear with me and watch until the end. So this is t is equal to something like, if I divide by 12, 5, 2s are 10, then I'm left with 2/5 or 2.4. Okay, so let's check. Oops, sorry. So let's check this inequality on the left by taking a t value less than 2.4. Okay, so my inequality is, oh, again the same mistake. I will have to erase it. So my inequality is t minus 3 divided by minus 3. T minus 3 divided by minus 3 should be less than 1/5. Take t is equal to 2. That means it will be 2 minus 3 divided by minus 3. And that has to be less than 1/5. So there's a question mark. Okay. So if I create some more space, this will be 2 minus 3 is minus 1 divided by minus 3 less than 1/5 question mark. So this is 1/3 less than 1/5. Think of 1 divided into 3 equal parts and think of 1 divided into 5 equal parts. 1/3 is definitely greater than 1/5, not 2. So t less than 2.4 is not working. Okay. So now let's take t greater than 2.4. Take t is equal to 3. So my inequality is t minus 3 divided. So let's better off, we'll take t as 4. t minus 3 minus 3 less than 1/5. Is that true? So this will be 4 minus 3 divided by minus 3 less than 1/5. Is that true? So if I create space, 4 minus 3 is 1 divided by minus 3 less than 1/5. So this is minus 1/3. It's on the left of 0, whereas 1/5 is on the right of 0. So 1/5 is greater than 1/5. So this is true. So that means, remember, we solved for t is equal to 2.4. So the inequality is valid for t greater than 2.4. Okay. Now let's work on the inequality on the other side. Okay. So the other inequality, which is t plus 3 divided by minus 2, and inequality is greater than minus 5, we will solve the equality equal to minus 5. So I will multiply by minus 2 on both sides. So this minus 2 cancels with this minus 2. So I have t plus 3 equal to minus 2 minuses make it plus 2/5. 2 times 1 is 2 by 5. Then I subtract 3 on both sides. So t is equal to 2/5 minus 3. So t is equal to 2/5 minus 3 times 5 divided by 5 times 1. So t is equal to 2/5 minus 15 over 5. Okay, so if I move up, so t is equal to 2 minus 15 is minus 13 over 5. Okay, so t is equal to minus 13 over 5, which is minus 5 2s are 10, and then 3 left, it is 2 3/5 or minus 2.6. Okay, so take t is less than 2.6, take t is equal to minus 3. Remember, the inequality was t plus 3 divided by minus 2 greater than minus 1/5. Okay, so let's plug in, let's take it minus 4. So it will be minus 4 plus 3 divided by minus 2 greater than minus 1/5. Now 3 minus 4 is minus 1 divided by a minus 2 greater than minus 1/5. So that is a question mark over here. This is a question mark over here. And this is a question mark over here. So if I create some more space, this will be half greater than 1/5. True. Minus 1/5 rather. True. Okay. So looks like the inequality is valid at for numbers less than minus 2.6. What about if I take a number greater than minus 2.6? So let's take, no, here, let's take t equal to, say, 0. Zero is being greater than minus 2.6. Okay. And then you have the inequality t plus 3 divided by minus 2 greater than minus 1/5. Is that true? So we are going to check by plugging in t is equal to 0. So this will be 0 plus 3 minus divided by minus 2 greater than minus 1/5. Now 0 plus 3 is 3 divided by 2 greater than minus 1/5. Okay. 3 divided by minus 2 rather. So if I move it up a little bit. So this side is minus 3 by 2 greater than minus 1/5. Minus 3 by 2 is minus 1.5. Is that greater than minus 1/5, which is minus 0.2? Answer is no. Okay. So the inequality is valid for t less than minus 2.6. Okay. So how will you combine this two inequalities? Remember, there was an odd sign in between. Okay. So if I create some space, so let's take another color, which will make life a little bit more interesting, maybe. Okay, so let's take this color. Okay. So you have the actual inequality is two inequality, compound inequalities, t minus 3 by minus 3 less than 1/5, or t plus 3 divided by minus 2 greater than minus 1/5. So this inequality, this is valid for t greater than 2.4, and this is valid for t less than minus 2.6. So for this, you can write as 2.4 open bracket comma infinity, or for this one you can write minus infinity to minus 2.6. Okay, so incorrect in interval notation will be, first you write the one on the negative sign is minus infinity to minus 2.6 open bracket on both sides, or is written with an union. This is union or, okay. And on the positive side, it is 2.4 to infinity. Okay. So in set notation, so they want under the interval notation. So this is the interval notation. Okay. So the important tip or hint I wanted to give you is, excuse me, is that you have to divide a compound inequality into two parts and solve each inequality separately and find out the region where the inequality is valid. So in order to do that, first you have to set up the inequality as an equality sign with an equal to sign and solve for the value of the unknown t. And then take values on both sides of that solved value, on the left of 2.4 in the first case and on the right of 2.4. Okay, so on the left of 2.4, we took a number 2, and the inequality is not true. And then on the right of 2.4, we took a number 4 and so saw that the inequality is valid. So the inequality is valid for t greater than 2.4. We did the same thing for the second inequality. We set it equal to, instead of the greater than, we set it equal to, solve for the unknown t, and found out that it is true. Okay, only when t is less than minus 2.26. Okay, so maybe I should write it down here. Oops. Using this. Yes, this. So this shows that the inequality on the right, the other inequality, this is only valid when t is less than minus 2.6.
Perhaps you should get a Magic 8 Ball.
So there are two regions. One is from 2.4 to infinity, that's for the left one, and the other one is minus infinity to minus 2.6. And you write it as a compound in interval. So how do you do that? You first write the negative on the left, minus infinity to minus 2.6, then or union it with the other one on the right, which is 2.4 to infinity. I stop here today. If you have any question, comment, write me a note. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you like this video, share with your friends. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, Math Science Topia, by hitting the red subscribe button. And please hit the notify sign, because then you'll be notified when I upload a new video. You can see, you can find out lots of algebra problems solved in my playlist, algebra problems, in my channel, Math Science Tobia. So please subscribe to my channel, and please do not forget to watch me tomorrow when I'll be back with another important problem, important solution. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a nice day. See you next time.